duties, and responsibilities in protecting our Mother Nature. Our Earth is the only planet with the continuity of life, so it becomes more and more important to generate a sense of urgency of saving our Mother Earth from all sorts of planet-harming activities. Our Mother Earth needs to be saved as our survival depends completely on this planet. It is our responsibility to raise awareness about saving our Mother Earth. Earth provides every resource for sustaining living things and inanimate things. Our planet-harming activities are resulting in causing an irreversible damage to the environment, which results in degrading the condition of this planet. By taking care of this planet, we can improve our well-being, as healthy environment will help in improving the quality of our life. It is our collective responsibility to raise public responsibility regarding the well-being of our Mother Earth. Here are the simple things we can do to save the planet and protect our Mother Earth. Plant a tree. Planting trees in the backyard is a great way to help our Mother Nature. Tree planting improves wildlife habitat connectivity and supports biodiversity. As trees grow, they help absorb and sink the carbon that would otherwise contribute to global heating. It's also remove harmful pollutants from the air and act as our natural air filter. Waste segregation. Waste segregation is the sorting and separation of waste types to facilitate recycling and correct onward disposal. In order to segregate waste appropriately, it is important to correctly identify the type waste that is generated. Waste is identified and classified into the following categories depending on their biological, physical, and chemical properties. Here we have dry waste. It refers to all items that are not considered wet or soiled items. Dry waste includes items such as bottles, cans, clothing, plastic, wood, glass, metals, and paper. Wet waste refers to all items that are organic, like food items, soiled food wrappers, hygiene products, yard waste, tissues, and paper towels, as well as any other soiled item that would contaminate the recyclables. Sanitary waste refers to all liquid or solid waste, originating solely from humans and human activities, can also include items from medical waste. And last, e-waste. It refers to all kinds of electronic waste. Sorting your waste makes it easier to understand how to reduce your general waste output, identify items that can be reused, and set aside items that should be recycled. We can also do a community cleanup to protect our Mother Nature. Community cleanup is a fantastic way to bring communities together for a common goal to improve public spaces by removing litter and unsightly objects. Getting a community involved in a cleanup can create awareness of the importance of recycling. It also creates a unified gathering that will ensure that common areas are safe and clean. Saving our Earth and its environment becomes highly important as it provides us food and water to sustain life. Our well-being solely depends on this planet. It gives food and water to all living things, so it is our responsibility to take care of it. The only way to honor our Mother Earth is by raising awareness about our environment and Mother Earth. By creating balance in our lives and adopting eco-friendly habits, we can make this planet a much better place to live in.